Meron na silang app na mag-apply doon. Within 24 hours, marireceive mo yung visa. Hi mga kadosi! Welcome back to our channel. Do you have any plans na mag-travel sa Pakistan this coming 2025? Well, I have a good news to Filipinas who wants to travel to visit their loved ones sa Pakistan. Meron na pong visa upon arrival na option when you apply for the visa. So, kung gusto nyo malaman yung mga updates, please stay tuned in on this video. Tapusin mo yung video para matutunan mo kung paano mag-apply. And it's so easy, especially for those Filipinas na hindi nakakapag-access sa website. Ngayon, meron na silang app wherein you can download the app and pwede ka na mag-apply doon. Within 24 hours, marireceive mo yung visa. So, stay tuned in. Una sa lahat, ano ba ang mga updates ngayong 2025 sa pag-apply ng visa sa Pakistan? May mga bagong visa category na dinagdag. Pangalawa, mas pinasimplin ang proseso. Pwede ka na mag-apply online through their e-visa system via the NADRA website or you can download the app. It's called Pak Identity. You can download it from the Play Store if you're an Android user and App Store if you're an iPhone user. Pangatlo, may mga updates din sa visa on arrival for certain countries. Pero for us Filipinos, I would suggest that you get your visa ahead of time para iwas hassle. Meaning you get the electronic visa. That is different from the visa on arrival ha. And syempre, may mga changes din sa visa fees at processing time. Iba-iba, depende sa type ng visa na kukunin mo. Next question is, are you eligible or qualified ka ba na mag-apply ng visa to Pakistan? Yung mga requirements, kailangan nyo malaman bago kayo mag-apply ng visa para hindi naman masayang oras nyo. There are 3 mandatory requirements sa visa on arrival. Dapat may valid passport ka na at least 6 months before expiration or travel dates mo. Kailangan mo rin ng photo with white background. Sa Pak Identity app, you can directly capture from the app. Make sure mo lang na clear, bawal ang nakakap or eyeglasses. Then, hotel or accommodation details. You only need to input the accommodation details such as address, telephone number, and your stay duration or ilang araw ka magstay doon. On top of that 3 mandatory requirements sa app, I believe these other recommended documents are needed, especially if you're traveling from the Philippines. One is the invitation letter. Kapag traveling ka from PH or Saudi, dapat nakaprint siya sa stamp paper, notarized or attested sa Pakistan and signed originally. This will be asked sa immigration sa Pinas or sa Saudi. Check if you're applying from other country. UAE is okay kahit hindi na naka-stamp paper and hindi na need ng original. If you require assistance on the sample invitation letter, please comment down below or send me a DM on Pakfil Love Story page. Link is also on the description of this video. Next is the proof of employment. This is very important. Provide your work contract, salary certificate, no objection certificate, or NOC from your employer. Naka-mention sa letter na ang employer mo ay walang objection sa travel mo sa Pakistan, especially if government employee ka. And leave approval from HR if you can provide, it's better. Other relevant documents are bank statements. At least 6 months. Make sure na may enough funds to finance your trip. For example, 100,000 pesos for a 2 weeks trip in a budget level na to ha. Stay tuned in sa channel for the next vlog on how much is the total expenses naman. Parent consent form kapag below 18 years old ka na mag-travel. Flight itineraries or 2-way return tickets, offload ka for sure pag wala ka nito. Photocopy of sponsor passport or CNIC or the computerized national identity card. Yung NBI clearance, it should be authenticated by DFA, by the Department of Foreign Affairs in the Philippines. Copies of previous Pakistan visas, if any. This would help the immigration to assess yung application mo. Kapag meron kang previous issued Pakistan visa, it would be simpler and faster for you to get the approval. So, paano nga ba mag-apply ng visa to Pakistan? Ito yung mga process na dapat mong sundin. Okay, so paano nga ba mag-apply ng Pakistan visa? Sundin mo lang yung mga steps na to. First is download the Pak Identity app from Play Store if you're an Android user and App Store for iPhone user. mag-register ka tapos unahin mo lahat ng required details. Since registered na ako sa app, nakikita niyo sa screen ko is nagla-login na lang ako. Enable niyo na rin yung biometrics para mas madali mag-login next time. Under sa Visa on Arrival Tourist tab, click nyo lang ang Apply Now. Tapos, you have to fill in all the required information sa each tab while you're on that page na application details pa lang as you can see on the screen. Then, you have to make sure na you select properly and tama yung mga i-input nyo. Tapos, click mo lang yung next. Tapos, minsan yung app, nagkakaroon siya ng, naglo-loading siya. So, make sure na yung internet connection is stable para tuloy-tuloy yung application nyo. So, as you can see, you have to upload or capture yung passport. You can download or upload it from your mobile device. You just have to give permission sa app na mag-upload or mag-access siya sa camera camera roll or gallery mo. Or you can also take picture. And next is yung photo naman. So sa photo medyo nagkakaroon ng mga issues. So make sure na ma-upload mo yung tamang photo, yung white background. Then sa personal details, you just have to input all your data, yung work mo, yung family details mo. You also have to input all this. Tapos yung visit details, yun naman yung travel dates mo, tapos yung hotel, kung saan ka magsistay. It doesn't have to be booked. On submission, ito na yung makikita nyo, yung summary ng application mo. Tapos makikita mo sa inbox yung progress. So, change outfit ako mga kadosti. So, ayun na nga yung process and yung kailangan nyo malaman about sa pag-apply ng Pakistan Visa on Arrival specifically. So, sana makatulong yung video na to get your visa approved. And tips lang para sa mga magta-travel or mag-a-apply, make sure na kapag nag-apply ka sa app, you have to be ready sa mga requirements na kailangan. Like your passport, your photo, your information about the hotel. Next is mag-apply ng mas maaga before ng travel date mo kasi baka magawal ka sa oras para lang magkaroon ka ng peace of mind na, okay, I have the visa already. So, as mentioned, yung visa on arrival naman, hindi naman siya nagtatagal or nagtitake time when it comes to approval. So, you have to be accurate sa details mo. So, make sure na maging honest ka na lang. And if interview requires or if it's required, you just have to be honest with your answers. Dapat nagmamatch yung mga answers mo doon sa in-apply or sa application mo kasi hindi naman pwedeng magkaiba sila, diba? And syempre, always check the website for the latest updates kasi may mga changes usually sa mga travel requirements. Hindi mo alam, nagbago na pala sila ng requirements. So, stay tuned in. At ako din naman, from my end, I make sure na nag-update ako sa page. Hindi lang ako ganun kadalas talaga nag-update, pero hopefully, please, with all your support and love, sana ma-maintain ko yung pag-update ko sa inyo, mga kadosti. So, thank you so much for all the support and love for the past couple of weeks or even for the past couple of years. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe sa YouTube channel natin para naman maaging updated ka sa anuman yung updates about Pakistan travel or tips on how to get the visa approved or LDR tips, love tips, kung ano man yon na gusto nyong itanong about Pakistani and Filipina, feel free to connect. So we have a Facebook page and TikTok channel. You can check the bio for all the links. So bye-bye mga kadosti!